you know it's official, homie. This video battle is going down. So you better bring it, homie. You better bring what you got, because I already brought it. There's nothing stopping me right now. No freaking limits right now. I'm gonna do it. We're gonna irritate everybody. I just make videos. How about that, huh? So it's going down tonight. Meet me online. Meet me on YouTube, whatever. Facebook me the videos, and it's going down. It's so going down. Wait. Let me rephrase that. You're going down. Okay, homie. See you. Bring it.